Okay, there's a new task that was brought out, which has to do with giving you 1 million of their game token. And to do that, you need to go to N per tap, this area here, and then you tap 3 times. And when you tap 3 times, one, two, three, you see the color of the hamster changes to red. And then the codes for today is BTC. And for you to be able to get a B, you need to tap, you need one long and three shots. One long tap and three short taps. You place your hand and hold, and then you tap one, two, three, and then a B appears. You place your hand and hold for a T. The T appears. One tap, long tap, and the C appears. Take the prize. Okay, that's it for today's task. All right, enjoy yourself.